This video is going to be all about bulk creating products. Sometimes you have a design that works on a couple different shirts and a couple different paper products, and rather than making them one at a time, you have the ability to bulk create these products all at once so that you save yourself the time of rinse, wash, and repeating the process over and over and over again. So first you want to go to artsprojekt.com, make sure you're logged in, and then click on the My Account link up here. That will take you to your dashboard, and from here you want to click on the Products tab. And on the products page, you want to click on the Quick Create button. This pop opens a window that says Configure your products. In step 1, you have to actually decide what products you want to make in bulk. You can, for example, choose to create all products, all non-apparel, apparel only, or things like paper products only. So let's go ahead and choose this one. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and choose, for example, apparel only. Step 2, it's going to ask you for a design. So I'm going to go ahead and choose from my images here. And I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And step 3 is actually not applicable to what we're trying to do here, so you can go ahead and skip it. Just make sure you do step 1 and step 2, and then click on the Create Products button down here. And once you do that, you're going to see that in this case, that design I chose has been put across 12 different products. And this is the place where you're going to go ahead and prune your products. You're going to adjust things that need to be adjusted. You're going to delete products that don't make sense. And once you're done with the kind of pruning of these products, you can move on to adding tags and descriptions and so on. So you can individually delete products by clicking the delete link here above each one of these products. Or you can choose specific ones by clicking on, let's say, the little boxes here, and you can, let's go ahead and bulk delete. And now that I've deleted the products, let's say, that I don't want to sell, I'm looking at these t-shirts and this one hat, and maybe I don't like the models in some cases, or I want to change the color or style of a shirt or product. So, the first one, let's say I want to change the shirt style. I click on the Customize link, and that pops open the Design tool, where I'll be able to edit the design, move the design around, as well as decide what model or style shirt should be used. So let's go ahead and keep the model, but we're going to change the shirt option. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. And this allows me to then select from all the available male shirts. So for example, maybe I want it on a ringer, and I want it to be a white and black ringer, as you see, and that will update for me. And once I go ahead and click done here, that's going to update my selection with this new stylish shirt. And since I chose a new stylish shirt, it actually chose a new model for me. I can always go back in there and change the model as well. Another example, you can actually change colors of the products that you're using. So in this case, the hat, maybe I want to choose a green hat to match the green fingerprint rather than the black hat that was chosen by default for me. So once the tool pops up, you want to click on Hat Options, and then you can choose all available styles and colors. In this case, I'm going to choose this green hat. That will change there. Click on Done, and it'll update my selection with the green hat. So let's imagine that I've gone through all these products. I've deleted the ones I don't like. I've changed the models, adjust the search styles to the ones that I want, and I'm ready to move on. This alone already has saved me a lot of time. But once I click on Next, this is the real time saver. Now I've taken those 8 products, and I have the ability to add titles, descriptions, subtitles, tags. I'm able to categorize them all at once. So rather than doing this 8 times in a row and typing the information over and over, copying and pasting it over and over, I can do this once, set it here, and publish these products, and then it'll put those products into the marketplace where they'll be able to be purchased and so on. Keep in mind that when you make multiple products, 7 or 8 products, not a big deal. But if you make 20, 30 products at once, you can make up to 100 technically. But if you make like 20 or 30 products at once, it might take a while before these products all show up in the gallery and in the marketplace. So keep that in mind when you do create these products, as you're not going to see them right away, but they will eventually pop into the marketplace, and you will receive an email once they've been created for you. So again, you want to go ahead and bulk create products, choose as many products as you want, add the titles, descriptions, tags, and once you've done all of that and you've posted them, it may take up to a couple of hours in some cases if there are 20, 30 products. 7 or 8 products, you're probably looking at 15, 20 minutes or somewhere along there before they actually show up. But rest assured, you will get an email when they are ready for the public to purchase them.